Sending a Google form to others to fill out or provide a response is really pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So you're the form creator, and so you've created this form and you want to get it to people to fill out. There's three ways you can do that. You got to click on the send button. This is where it starts right here. In the send button, that you have the ability right here to send via an email address. So you can actually put an email address of someone in here and send it to them. I'll type in an email address here. I'll send it to myself, Burris Consulting. There it is right there at Gmail. Subject, I can say what I want. Fill this out, please. I can actually put multiple email addresses in here if I want to. I can, put another one, Teddy Burris at Gmail. Here it is right here. Boom. And I've invited you to fill out this form. How about I say, I need you to fill out this form today, please. I can include the form in the email. I don't like that style, so I don't do that. And it's that easy. Hit the send button. And that email just got sent. I'll show you an example of it right here. Hit refresh. There it is there. I need you to fill this form today. They click on that and they will fill, and it'll bring up the form. I actually open this in an incognito tab just so you can see, and there's the form. That's just sending it directly from the form by clicking on the send button and send via email. Now here's another way you can do it. You can grab the URL. I'm a big fan of shortening it. It's easier to grab. Copy it. And now I can go send it out any way I want to send it out. I can send it out as an email. I can go to LinkedIn. I can post it on LinkedIn right there, post it. You can post it on LinkedIn and just hit post. And there it is right there. And if they click on it, I'm going to right click, open in an incognito tab. Again, it brings exactly the same form up for them to fill it out. Again, I just publicly put that out there on social media. I could put it out there on Facebook, Twitter. I just did on LinkedIn. I put it on my blog, wherever I want to put it out. Let's get rid of that. Now, here's the next way you can do it. I can embed it. I can take this this content right here. I can adjust the width and the height however I want. You got to play with that to find the right way. And then I can copy that source code. Now, once I've copied that source code, I can go to my website, create a page, update a page, edit a page, whatever, put that iframes content on there, and I can make this form available through a public website. And additionally, just like I showed you with on LinkedIn, I can share it directly to Facebook, share it directly to Twitter. These are the different ways that you can send a Google form to anyone so that they can fill it out. The only variable that comes into play here, using the word anyone, is if you're going to limit responses to one response, then they have to have a Google account. They have to sign into Google in order to fill out this form so that the system can track that user only fills it out one time per Google account. But if you don't have that on, you can put it out there and send it to anyone, whether they have a Gmail account or not. Again, it's all under the send button. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.